Hello everyone! Make two divisions in the front of the hair and then divide each of these sections into two parts. Make a braid at the bottom. Make it a fishtail braid. Roll it upwards and tie it up. Add a bow. Section off the front of the hair and make two ponytails at the back. Taking the front section of the top, add a rubber band to it, roll it in on itself, make two braids. Make these circular shapes, add two rubber bands on the rest of the sections. At the back, remove the rubber band and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this, include more sections of the hair into this braid. Roll the braid upwards and tie it up accordingly. Section off the front of the hair. Take a small section of the top, divide it into two portions and twist it. Now add another section to it and begin to braid the hair. Do this on either side and at the back tie the hair up accordingly. Take a small section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Make two braids out of it. Pull the hair through as such. Make a bow shape out of it. Tie a ponytail at the back. Start off by combing the hair. Section off the front of the hair and clip the rest aside. Take a small section of it and begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of hair into this braid. At the back, once again, start to make a braid and once again include more and more sections into it as you progress with it. At the bottom, make two ponytails out of it. Take the top section of the hair and tie it up, add a bow with a ribbon to it. Using the ribbons as one of the sections, braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the front of the scalp into this braid. Make two ponytails on the side. Roll the ribbon upwards and tie it up accordingly. Divide the hair into four portions as such. At the bottom, make multiple sections and add multiple rubber bands. On the side, make a braid and roll it up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Divide the hair into two portions and then make a braid on one of the sides. Make a fishtail braid. That is, divide the hair into two portions and then take two sections from either side, interchange it in the center. Add a rubber band to the base once you are done. Add a decorative clip. Thank you for watching.